Hello everyone. So in this video we will be doing the problem which is the length of the last word. Lead code 58 problem. So before moving forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel, and also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the intuition. And see, it's a easy level problem, so you all can do it. Like if you do simply do the dry run and make the intuition, then you can easily do it. So let's read the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given a string s consisting of words and spaces. Return the length of the last word in the string. Okay, we have to return the length of the last word. Like we have given this string hello world, so we have to return the length of this word. So length of this word string is 5. So 5 will be returned. Okay. So a word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. Okay. सो नॉन स्पेस कैरेक्टर्स मेरे को लेने हैं अगर इस एग्जाम्पल को देखते हैं तो लास्ट सब स्ट्रिंग कौन सी है इसमें वर्ल्ड वर्ल्ड का लेंथ कितना हो गया 5 सो 5 विल रिटर्न इन दिस एग्जाम्पल फ्लाई मी टू द अनमून इसमें लास्ट वर्ड की लेंथ कितनी है 4 मून की लेंथ 4 है तो 4 रिटर्न कर देंगे So the approach part is very simple. Like what we will do is we will traverse from the back and we will if there is no spaces like यहाँ पे तो space है यहाँ पर space नहीं है. We will traverse from the back and if we will check like if there is no space, then what we will do, we will simply increase our counter count by one, like one count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally we will return. But in some cases there will be space also here, as you can see there कि यहाँ पे स्पेस भी है ठीक है इन दिस केस व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल सिंपली मेक अ boolean function like I will take a flag. I'll mark it as initially false and I will check like if there is space or not. If there is space, then we will simply break it. So let's run this. Let's do the code for this. So code is very simple. What we'll do, we'll initialize the size of the string is int n equals to size of the string int count that is initially equals to 0 and I will take a flag. I will tell you why I'm taking the flag and now I will apply a loop from I will traverse from the back so int I equals to s dot size so I can like write like n minus 1 to I greater than equals to 0 then I minus my now I will check like if s of I equals to that space and flag जो कि अभी इनिशियली मार्क फॉल्स है वो अभी फॉल्स मार्क है सो इन दिस केस व्हाट आई विल डू आई विल सिंपली ब्रेक इट and in else case what I will do is I'll simply like check else case नहीं है यहाँ पे ठीक है ये एक कंडीशन टाइप का हो गया अगर मेरे पास ये है ठीक है अगर स्पेस है तो और फ्लैग है तो मैं ब्रेक कर दूंगा इन ये अनदर कंडीशन होगी इफ s of I is not equal to 0 in this case what I will do is I'll mark the flag as false like true sorry so firstly I will increase our counter by 1 and I'll do the flag like equals to 1 and finally I will return our count. So in this case what I have done is I will take this example like I will check like if s of I is 0 or not. F of I is there is a you can see here there is a space. So firstly I'll go in this loop and I'll check these conditions. So if s of I equals to space, yeah, is it is there. So simply what I will do, I'll break this loop. I'll break out this loop and now I'll again check like कि यहाँ पर वो है या नहीं है ठीक है इस कैरेक्टर है या नहीं है यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर है तो आई विल सिंपली इंक्रीज आवर काउंटर बाई 1 सो सॉरी ये तो वो होना चाहिए ना स्पेस ठीक है सो अगर कोई भी एग्जांपल लेते हैं मैंने सिंपल किया क्या है कि अगर मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है तो मैं काउंटर को सिंपली बढ़ा दूंगा फ्लैग को ट्रू फॉल्स कर दूंगा ठीक है ट्रू ट्रू मार्क कर दूंगा ठीक है एंड अगर मेरे पास स्पेस आ जाता है लाइक मैं यहाँ पर हूँ ठीक है मून के बाद एम के बाद स्पेस आ गया तो सिंपली मैं ब्रेक कर दूंगा लूप को ठीक है और लूप से बाहर आ जाऊंगा दैट दिस कंडीशन इज शोइंग this thing like if there is a space I will simply break out from the loop. So if I run this and see if this will work or not. As you can see here it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working perfect. So simply what I have done is I'm checking the condition like if there is a space or not. If there is not no space, then if in this condition I will simply increase our counter and I will mark it as true. And if there is a space, then what I will do, I will simply check like if there is a space and the flag is false, then in this condition I'll mark it as break, means break कर दूंगा loop में से, ठीक है. So this was a simple code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए bye.